Hey, welcome back to my channel. And this is the day to of the SAP exam. And today I will be solving the Bigfoot problem. Problem today is solving log folder 581598. And this is the library of the media. And I will be explaining and let me go through the notepad. Today morning I have posted one YouTube video on the SAP on day 3 history of the ecosystem and DFT portal, and I have been explained the degree problems, previous discussion, memorization, and PAP and the place of no one and the tutorial have been done. This is the current first tutorial to explain all the approaches and how we can solve and respect to the institution, all the need provided. And come to the lead problem, same thing for here and the main code file system keeps to a log each and some to the perform the change folder operation. Okay, this kind of when switch back to if you're in Linux based system, you have to switch the CLI itself like CD and change directory and use the dot operator to move back to the parent and to move forward and we have to use the same thing and the folder name. Well, the folder name, no folder. Same thing must be happened in the input and we have to code it that particular scenario. And that simulation we have to done. Basically write this dot slash begets moving back to the parent folder when you are at the current folder. In the same Linux terminal we are using cd dot right two dots so it will go back to that. As you can see, use cd dot on the current folder, it will go back to the D1. And yeah, and I will try run that and dot single dot and slash begets remain the same folder. We can skip one now. There is no use of it and move to the current folder. If we want to move to the current folder, same thing CD. Instead of CD, we have they remove the prefix of CD and they kept the rest of it. That's all. Even if we perform the same command, it will work in CLI. And the folder, this X folder, right? This folder, it's stating that this folder will provide always be guaranteed mode, it always be exist in our problem and give it test. Okay? And you are given a list of string logs where log of a is the is the operation performed by the user at the I step and the file system started in the main folder. Is the main folder the operation logs are performed and return the minimum number of operations need to go back to the main folder after changing the folder operation. Basically, when we are performing the given order and what was the maximum depth of it, we have to return. Like, how many steps, minimum number of steps to go back to the main. That's what the requirement. Here, number of operations they are asking. So we can call by using stack approach and also by using counter depth counter, how much depth we have gone through, and we can return that depth. And the stack is for if the user, if the particular interviewer asks about the path, how you will be reaching the minimum number of steps to reach the particular destination. That backtracking folders you have to print, have to return back, then you should use the stack approach and you have to pop it so that all will be in respective order, reverse order, and you can achieve that. Uh, and for this problem, we can solve both the approaches, both will work, doesn't matter. But the optimized one is then counter only because it takes constant time, space, complexity, and the stack will take additional space. That's the main difference. But if you want actual part, the stack approach is the recommended. That's what I'm suggesting. And I will be explaining the sample test case on D1. I will be initially it is at main folder and D1 means creating a directory one and D2 means creating another directory inside the D1. So you can see the levels also and dot dot as I said going back to the D1 as you can see step 2 and after that 321 on here itself it will be creating another directory of 321 and then dot means remaining at the same step. It will be stick at the same position 321. That's what and maximum depth is Here we have two levels, right? So that is what. The same thing would be happen here also. We are creating a new directory D1 and D2. We are creating another directory, and then dot means remaining at the same position, and D3 means creating another directory D3 at three level, third level, and two dot means you are returning back to the main, which is nothing but D2 level 2, and then we are creating D1. So this is the D3 one, and we will see three levels are there. We can return the three. And this for the another case, we are picking D1 and we are going to the parent operation, nothing but a main folder. Again, we are going back, and if again if we are trying, no doesn't matter, right? We are already the root. There is no top of it, so we can return zero itself. There is no nothing to go back to the main. Zero steps are needed. That's what the question. And the constraint you should always ask to the integral of this constraint makes your forward where you are thinking out of the box, not only the question, to understanding the question. You are thinking out of the box and you are adding more essence how to optimize more approaches you can think through with the help of constraint and log length, right? It will be starting from 1 to 10 power 3, which is nothing but 1000. And this particular problem can be solved in three ways. Greedy approach will be solved, DP, normal stack. Greedy comes under stack operation, stack and counter greedy comes under greedy category. And DP also can be solved, but no need to go for the higher complexity for a smaller and yeah, this is true. And for at max, right, each string consists of two digits up to 10, which is nothing but 10 power 4. If you use and square solution, that will work in the real time server within a second. So it doesn't matter. If you choose a lesser complexity, that is preferable to the interview. That's how we complete. Log of I containing the lowercase English letter, digits, dot, and slash. And dot I follows the format of the set, descriptive format of the statements. Like they are saying that particular these formats only will be there, and the name of the folder name will be there. That particular pattern only will be called, and folder name consists of lowercase English letters and digits. So sometimes D1, D3, all digits alphanumeric will be there. That's what. Alpha that characters all are in lowercase. That's what we are saying. And the first approach will be stack. Stack is an additional. We are adding a data structure to backtrack the actual path, how to get the minimum steps, minimum path to reach to the main. That's what interview was thinking for stack approach, and you can use doesn't matter. But this is the first recommendation to follow up with an interview, and we can this is basic approach, like how we are doing. First, we have to use a flexible stack. This is Java approach. Same thing happened in Python. Stack, right? In Python, we are using list, and in list it will be act as a stack. The pop method is push method is append is there. So everything can be done in Python with list. And coming to the stack, yeah, like vector act as a stack. Pop back is there, push back is there, and C++. And I will be starting for loop, and going through each log, and whenever we input the backtracking effort like dot dot. If the current operation is equal to the going back, then we have to move back and we have to add a base condition that the particular stack should not be empty, because if it is empty, we can return zero itself. Nothing to do with that. And we can if the stack contains some any elements, we can pop that element. That's all. Else if the current statement is not equal to dot, nothing but element state, we have to create an folder, create an entity, and we have to store in our stack. Nothing but D1, D2, something irrespective of that. Basically, three operations are there: dot dot, and dot is remains same. Also not equal to, right, and your is else it will second priority, and everything else can be added into our stack, and rest all can be ignored. And dot operation doesn't matter. We are staying in the current folder, right? No need to do any operation on third operation. And at the end, we can return that this is the minimum steps to backtrack. And if the interview asks the particular path minimum number of steps need to go back to the main, and what was the path if they are asking, you can print the stack itself by using while loop. And if the stack is not empty, pop it and print the similar fashion so that all will be in backtracking mode. And you can also reverse that. That's also fine. How you want to display. That's up to the output and the interview. What they are. But anyway, we can be solved by using this. And second one, this time complexity is linear, and the space complexity here like additional complexity to store the path, actual path, minimum and path, actual path. So that's fine. Order of and counter right is the more intuitive approach to optimize the solution, and you have to communicate to the interview that we are following optimized approach using the counter. Counter is nothing but one variable, the folder tab. How like we have to keep track of the depth of the folder and current depth, and at the end we can return the folder depth itself, and we can iterate using for each loop, and for each entry we are checking the three conditions same as above. We have to check the parent first, and if and we have to take the maximum score. We should not go beyond negative, beyond zero. So that's the reason we are handling that case instead of if condition if the stack is not empty. That is a constant operation. This is also constant operation. If the particular max zero, we are checking with zero, and particular depth minus one. If it is negative, it will take the max zero. If it is positive, it will take this. So that's the reason we are taking maximum, and the folder depth will be there. And for increasing folder, we are simply adding the particular tab to itself, going there, plus plus. And dot dimension doesn't matter. If we add folder plus zero, doesn't hamper that. So we can skip that operation constant use of time, and we can return the at the point line after doing all the iteration, all the all the things, all the each log, and we can return the final tab with the folder tab. And this is the Python code. You can see that simple. The time complexity is linear, space complexity is constant. We are storing a variable itself, which is stored in stack memory under the main memory. And the Python code here itself, same thing for loop, for each loop, and then if condition, else if condition, and that's all. Good. CPP, C++ code. You can take this screenshot and work on it. As you said, the time complexity, that's all. Yeah. Thank you.